Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 2025R tractor, a four-wheel drive tractor with the H130 quick attach loader. The drive over deck is a 62-inch drive over belly mower. The bucket itself is quick attach as well, and again the loader is quick attach as well, so you can easily remove the bucket or the loader if you'd like. The tractor is in really nice shape. It's got a couple imperfections. Front of the hood here has got a couple scratches in it, some surface scratches here, back here as well, but overall very clean tractor. Traded this tractor in from a fellow that was upgrading to a larger machine. It's got the 3-point hitch 540 PTO back here, so you can run a brush hog or a blade or a tiller, anything to that nature. Again, the 62-inch drive over deck here. Hydrostat transmission's got 2 ranges, 2 little pedals over there for forward and reverse. Has cruise control. And again, just over 364.4 in the hours currently. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this or any of our other used tractors, please feel free to contact us.